Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today I will be telling you some basic ideas through which you can make your house super interesting. Number one is the mirrors. The interesting thing about the mirrors is they not only add extra space to your home, but they add an elegance. Who doesn't like to look into the mirrors? And they are a perfect solution if you are on a low budget and still you want to make your place look absolutely wonderful. Second one, my favorite, chandeliers. I love the chandeliers. Absolutely perfect. Look at this one. This is so good. And most of the people think that chandeliers are very expensive, but this is not true. Chandeliers are really, really easy to DIY and to get to your space. Chandeliers will change the look of your space. Just look at this picture. This one. Oh my god. Perfect. Love. I am suggesting you just adding one touch into your house is gonna change your house the way it looks. Like through the curtains, if you don't have much of the money, or curtains are a basic necessity through which you maintain your privacy in the house. So if you add the right color or the right texture to your curtains, your house is gonna look super, super, super interesting, like a holiday destination. So I would totally suggest you to use the right kind of curtains at your place. Try to be an experimental person. Look at this. Great. Next, this is gold. You know what? In the ancient times, the kings, the queens, they loved gold. The reason is very genuinely known that gold is gonna make your space look extra expensive. And I'm not telling you to bring real gold to your space. You can use a golden paint or tapes are available in the market. Just something touch of gold. You just need a touch of gold in your house, and your house is gonna look rich. Plants. Plants bring positive energy to your space. They're not gonna just elevate the look of your place, but they are gonna add oxygen, a life into your place. Colors will be there. So I totally suggest you to bring plants and